All right. Let's see.
Yeah, you should fire that thing, man.
Shoot it?
Oh yeah, shoot that thing.
That's the shadow system, right?
No, that's a Glock 19
Glock.
Gen 4. Look at that thing, man. Look, I put all the rounds, and I haven't shot this thing probably in a while. It's a Glock. Oh yeah.
Oh, it feels good.
It's already loaded and everything. There is no way they're going to sit on one income. Huh? Really nothing. I brought this slide off of AIM Surplus. I got the barrel, I think it was off of Midway, that will fit here. See, it's got the 8 ports. And then this comp, I don't remember what's the company. But dude, when I tell you I've had this whole setup for years. I got this pistol in 2010, I think it was. And I've had it ever since to do. When I tell you this thing is a beast, it is a beast.
All right, cool.
Oh, yeah.
Yo. What do you have on the Holosun? What?
It's an old Holosun. I don't remember what it is. The concussion is ridiculous, bro. Look at the gases. Dude, you gotta see the flames that are shooting out of that thing. And it's just a plain Jane Glock.
So what is this, Ramjet? What is this?
No, that's not a Ramjet. I don't remember who it was, dude. I think it was Strike something.
Is that
No, that's Strike something, dude.
Strike Industries?
I think that's who the company. Dude, it's been such a long time. When I tell you that thing shoots pretty decent. Oh, dude.
That's fresh.
Yo, I've shot this thing out to 300 yards.
Really?
10 rounds. All 8 rounds I hit the plate. You can hear it go ding. That's how, that thing is pretty accurate, dude.
All right, let me see you shoot.
Oh, I gotta load her back up. I only had 2 mags that I brought. But I'm telling you, man, that thing is pretty sweet. For what it is. Dude, people be dropping like 10 grand on a 2011. I'm like, yo, this thing shoots almost just as good as that.
How much was that?
Why? I don't know. Whatever the Glock cost me, like $500 back in the days. I probably spent $150 on the slide. The barrel was like $100. The trigger was probably the most amount of money, which was from man, who was it? Because the trigger's like 4 pounds.
Okay.
Dude, this grip tape is from Talon. That thing's got to be on this since like 2012. Still hasn't come off. It's ridiculous.
All right, I'm gonna do this BUL Armory, and I'm gonna let you shoot the BUL Armory. I know you used to hate this gun.
Who, me?
Yeah, the BUL Armory.
Well, I never said I hated it.
It wouldn't recycle.
It wouldn't cycle. It doesn't mean I hate it.
Nah, that's why I changed it.
Let's see.
I misspoke. All right.
Why?
Jesus Christ, bro. Look at this stuff, man. I can't even see, dude. Holy shit. Yeah, that's not for indoor use right there. Damn, bro. Look. Dude, look at the concussion. Look.
Why?
Just,
I gotta come down and to the right. Just a little.
Why?
Wrong one. Wait.
Sweet Caroline. Ba ba ba.
Go.
Nice. so good, so good.
Why?
Oh, it's
That's bad. Slow.
Was he slow?
That is slow.
I'm slow.
Why?
Stove piping. Don't be stove piping.
Why?
Alright, let's have some oil in here. No! Can I steal some oil? Can I grab some of that oil?
Of course you can.
Why?
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Was those low? Were those the one on the right or the left?
I wasn't paying attention.
Alright, here you go, and I can see.
Na 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 na. Ba ba ba. Let's see on this beautiful girl.
Why?
That's a nice trigger though.
Why?
Bottom left. Is it John in?
See, it's the extraction. My line of vision is different than yours, so. See that?
Yeah, I've seen it.
Why?
It's definitely not the mag. Let's see. Try like how you would shoot. Yeah. And watch, it's an empty one that just doesn't look. See, the extractor is not pulling it all the way. I think you need a better extractor spring because that spring right there, it probably is the same like a Glock. You just need to change that or just send it to them.
Walther.
I don't like the natural point of aim either.
Gotta love it, man. Here to Walther. Hey, little Walther. How is this guy?
Why?
And it's still running. I'm surprised.
Yeah.
Na na na.
Accurate, man.
Ba ba ba. So good.
Why?
Back to the wall. Back. So, bring him home.
Why?
I think it's pretty accurate, man.
Yeah, it is. It really is. I just got to work on the spewing of bullets. It doesn't like it. Let's do this for the Walther. Much opened up. Interesting. Yeah, I gotta give the bull some love, man.
I would have shot that paperclip by now.
You would have
I would have shot it. I'm sorry, I'm not that good.
the paperclip.
Oh yeah, I would have hit that fucking paperclip. Fuck that.
Well, if I slow down, I can control it. If
I'm
if
like,
I speed up,
mister,
my
I
whole
shot the
paper's
paper.
gonna fall down.
I shot the paperclip, mister.
Why?
Mister, I shot the paperclip.
Why?
Sweet Caroline. Ba, ba, ba. Sweet Caroline. Ba, ba,
Why?
3.35. That's so slow.
give it to the bull. The bull is pretty accurate.
Why?
Sweet Caroline. Ba, ba, ba.
Alright, I don't know, man.
It's good shooting, man.
This is pretty accurate, man.
It is pretty accurate.
I just gotta keep it. You see, it didn't really choke on me, but I was going slow. If I'm going slow, I guess it's okay. But that's wall art right there.
It's really good. If you can't do it, it's just because you don't even want to. Yeah, you gotta slap that girl in. Slap that Mac. There you go. Now you're going. Now you Gucci.
Why?
Damn. Yeah.
Why?
Yo. Yo, no, you can't say nothing, dude. That thing is very accurate.
That's nice. For a carry?
Yo, for a
It's
little,
mad
that's
light.
like a Glock 43, but a comp. Look how thin it is too. That's nice.
Yeah, it feels cool.
I told you, the thing
I
is
would
nice.
like the extended one, man.
I got that because it's too small for me.
Yeah. I could feel that would be dope when you extend
Yep.
it. But this is dope, man. That's crazy.
Keep firing it. I take her out every once in a while, like to carry it.
Yeah.
Like this whole week, I've been carrying that one. I
What
have,
is,
I think it's 6 pistols that I can carry. That I have.
6?
I have 6 for carry. Yeah. I have the P365 that nothing is original on the thing. I got that one. I got the Staccato, the HD4 or the P4. I got, what else do I have? Oh, I got the Shadow System. Remember the I showed you the R920 Glock 19 with the comp?
Mm-hmm.
I got another Glock. I got a Glock, what's it called? Glock 48. I think it's very accurate for what it is. Look at that. Oh, that's sexy.
Why?
Dude, 3 rounds are touching on the top, the other 2 are touching, and then you got the 1 flyer.
Yeah.
And it's not even a flyer, because if you really think about it, it's like an inch apart. Look at the box. It's literally still within the box, one of those rounds, see? Like you got a line toucher. So with an inch and a half, you get 5 rounds. At 7 yards, and you don't even fire that thing.
Yeah,
Imagine
yeah.
if you played with it more often.
That's very cool.
Why?